Check out this home in Lawrenceville, Gwinnett County, Georgia. This one was built in 1992, 3-bedroom, 2 full baths, about 1,500 square feet. Has a very nice looking elevation. Check out the neighborhood. Overall, this house sits at a flat lot. It's almost at just slightly above the street level. 2-car attached garage. Driveway is decent. Now it looks like this one has vinyl siding. So the vinyls are relatively maintenance free. Just make sure you replace the damaged siding timely. This one has a 3-tap roof shingles. Looks like the roof is over 15 years old. This is a huge AC unit. Manufactured April 24. Less than a year old. Check out the backyard. No fence, but the backyard is very clean. Has a small slope towards the perimeter, but overall this backyard is flat, usable, and you can easily add in a fence to improve the privacy. Take a look at back of the roof. Overall the shingles are still flat. You can see the roof still have the can vents. That will tell you approximately the age of the roof. I can see over there are a few spots where looks like the nail has popped, or that needs more attention. Roof pitch is about 6/12, still walkable. Foundation is a slab. Now this home right now, the listing price is about $360,000, so everything is what you would expect for this price range. Now check out this side of the house. Overall looks fine. You can see there's some small gaps between the siding board, but overall not too bad. Just to pay attention to this J channel. Make sure put it back so that bugs and other creatures won't crawl underneath it. Now this is the neighbor side. It has a stone retention wall, so this is actually more preferred than those landscaping lumber that will decay over time. Overall the gutters is in good condition. Still has the kick out flashing. The downspout is oversized. That's really preferred. So let's get inside the house and check it out. So we're in the house. This is the hallway. Has original tiled floor. Turn to my left. This is the kitchen. Overall it has an open floor plan. Now the kitchen has original sheet vinyl floor. You can see overall it's not bad. I think there's here's a rip, but otherwise the sheet floor aged very well. It has cathedral seating. Seating has textures to it. It has neutral paint. This one is very close to I think the color scheme is very popular to one of the very popular color from Sherwin-Williams. Oak cabinets. It's definitely from the 90s. Overall, it's maintained well. No cabinets knob or pull. So I'm amazed it's in a very clean condition. Laminated countertop. Everything else seems like standard. I guess that one probably is come with the house. Has really old fridge. Gas stove. Under cabinets, microwave, everything else is standard, pretty standard setup. Now here in the kitchen has 2 cutouts on the wall, so this will make the kitchen feels more open and connected to the living space. So this is the living room, has cathedral ceiling. Ceiling looks pretty clean. I haven't seen any water stain. Natural gas fireplace. You can see there are soot, so that indicates the fireplace was used. Carpet is pretty dirty and worn out. You can see a lot of stains. I don't know, maybe this carpet is over 20 years old. All right, turn to the right. I think this is the master bedroom. Very spacious. Feels like it's 15 by 15. You have 2 large windows that overlook the backyard. And here it has a vaulted ceiling with a huge ceiling fan and the lights. That's probably either the hole on the wall is for a thermostat or for a home security system that was taken out. Overall, the wall looks fine. It's just this side of the wall needs a paint touch-up and a minor repair. Window is aluminum. I think the windows overall still in decent condition. Check out the master bathroom. Has sheet vinyl floor. Again, these floor, although they're very basic, they ages pretty well and well maintained. Original toilet, as that's the 2-gallon toilet tank. Check out the shower. Shower actually is clean, and the shower door opens and closes relatively smoothly without much resistance. And also you can see around the corner it's clean, relatively clean, so doesn't have too much water issues. This is a huge soaking tub. Again, the tub is clean, looks like it has not been used very often. And you can also check out the original tile work along the soaking tub. It's maintained very well. Just this small pieces needs attention, but otherwise not bad at all. Here is your sink. So this sink is pretty low. The vanity is only 30 inches tall. Does have a huge mirror. Everything else pretty much builder grade. And then you got a small walk-in closet. Just give you another view for the master bedroom. Let's check out what's behind these closet. So this is the laundry area. Standard laundry box. You have a dual fuel for your dryer. Everything is clean. Linen closet right by the laundry area, and this is your digital security controls. I really like the fact that the owner has labeled everything on the switch. Very thoughtful. Now keep walking. Let's check out the other 2 bedrooms. We're in bedroom number 2. Decent space. Room size is 13 by 12. Nice clean ceiling. Standard ceiling light. Decent closet space. Overall, the wall is very clean. Looks like this room has not been used heavily. Now here in the hallway we find the thermostat. This is the shared bathroom. Builder grade, sheet vinyl floor, everything's original. 30 inches vanity, made of oak. Everything else standard 1-piece top. Decent condition. Check out bedroom 3. So bedroom 3 faces the front of the house. Very spacious as well. Room size is about, I would say at least 13 by 13. Overall, the windows not bad. Still have the blinds and also the curtain, ceiling fan. Everything is in place. Check out the garage. Two car. I like the fact that you have a little bit extra space on both sides. You If you want to put the shelving on the wall, you can do that. Have the garage door opener. The spring looks not that old. Might be replaced at some point. Looks like the door was replaced as well. Now in the garage, you do have a relatively large crack. You can see this is the crack. Looks like it's definitely over a 1/4 inch in the gap. That's your circuit breaker. You do have a drop-down ladder that gives you access to the attic. And here you got 220 volts. So hopefully if you have a EV, you can charge it here. Circuit breaker panel is 150 amps. Everything's labeled. This one looks newer. You do have a extra space. Let's check out what's behind this door. Okay, I like it. Has HVAC and a water heater tank. Furnace looks new, so it's probably this was replaced about the same time. This one is a gas unit. This is just a regular flue. Water heater tank was replaced 2014, so about 11 years old. And you have water main, you have your pressure regulation valve, everything, the plumbing is very, very clean, and it looks like it's been updated, so I like it. Also, furnace filter is very easy and accessible. It's on the side. So this concludes the virtual tour of this ranch home in Gwinnett County, Georgia.